Hey, I'm Jenna and welcome to Publicify. This video is the second part to my two-part series on great job ideas for musicians. And if you missed part one, I'll have it linked for you in the description of this video. Really quickly, before I move on to these 4 job ideas, I want to let you know that I've made a Google spreadsheet with all the resources you need to get started with these jobs. And I have some extra ideas in there too. So if you want access to this spreadsheet, and it's free by the way, just leave a comment on this video letting me know. Without further ado, I have 4 side job or day job ideas you can do as a musician that will earn you cash without interfering with your musical dreams. Let's go. The first job idea is to become a bartender at a music venue. Now this has its benefits over being a bartender at a standard bar or restaurant. First of all, you will get access to free gigs, which can be a learning experience for your own live set. Secondly, you will get a chance to meet tour managers, roadies, and musicians that may be able to open some doors for you in the future. And the third reason why you would want to go for a music venue job is because it will potentially offer more scheduling flexibility. Venues are usually only open when there's a gig, so bartenders are asked to come in on an as-needed basis. If bartending isn't your style, you can look for a job as a ticket checker or door handler. I'm not really sure the official name for this one, but it's the person who sits at the front door and checks tickets, sells tickets, and manages the guest list. Job idea number 2 is to become a private music teacher. Now, if you're good enough at your instrument to teach others, this can be a fantastic way to make some money while being your own boss. You can teach kids or adults how to play the guitar, bass, piano, or whatever, and charge a premium price. I'll have more resources on how to find your own customers in the spreadsheet I mentioned before. Just leave a comment on this video if you want access to the spreadsheet I've made with tons of resources on job ideas. Number 3 is to create an online course. This is a great way to make passive income where you don't have to continue working to make money from your course. Of course, you have to put in the initial effort to build your course and promote it, but after that, you can just sit back and let the money come rolling into your bank account for quite a long time. If you're really proficient at a skill and you feel comfortable doing this sort of thing, talking to a camera, then making an online course can be a fantastic way to make money online. Even if you don't want to be in front of the camera, you can find unique ways to record material like making animations. Now, like I said, it requires an initial investment of your time, but then once it's uploaded and you're getting registrations in, the workload becomes much smaller. You can host your online courses on tons of different platforms, which I'll have linked to in the spreadsheet. Just comment down below to get it. The fourth and final job idea is to teach English online. There are some really reputable programs out there that allow you to teach English online no matter where you are, as long as you have a solid internet connection. A few of my friends have done this to earn some extra cash and they really loved it. But you do typically need a bachelor's degree to land this kind of job and a certain accent, but every company has their different requirements. If you went to uni, this is a great option for you, but some don't even need a bachelor's degree anyway, so have a look regardless. And I kind of feel like a broken record saying this, but I have a list of resources and sites you can start with in the spreadsheet I made. Just leave a comment on this video and I'll reach out to you to give you access to it. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to these videos, please subscribe or like the page depending on where you're watching from. I'll have more videos coming out soon, all about helping DIY musicians navigate their music careers. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!